Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and you all know about today's video topic from video title. So we are going to talk about how to score good in PTE exam with fewer days of preparation. So without a further ado, let's get started. To score good in PTE exam, you need to understand about the structure of the exam and how the scoring system works. Like all English tests, PTE also contain 4 sections, which is reading, listening, speaking and writing. Total duration of the exam is around 2 hours. Each section is divided and each section has certain time limit. Unlike other exams, which is around 2 days, so I'll take 2 days. PT exam is only 1 day, so you have to give only 2 hours, and it is going to take place on computer. PT exam start with reading a paragraph, during which your both reading skills and speaking skills are tested. You need to understand the structure of the exam, for which you can watch Language Academy full detail exam, like full exam structure video. It is around 1 hour, 1.5 hours. So kindly watch this video and you need to understand about the exam, how the structure of the exam, which part comes first, and how to proceed with every part. But you need to keep in mind before attempting any part of the exam, because some parts of the exam are scored well as compared to other parts of the exam. Like some parts of the exam will give you more points as compared to other parts. For example, when you listen and speak, or when you listen or select some words in the paragraph, those are very high scoring parts of the exam. So after understanding the structure of the exam, now move on to the part where like how I prepared for the exam. So I started similar way as I recommended you. I got to know about the basic structure of the exam, and I watched some videos like tips and tricks in PTA exam, because this exam is scored by AI system, and we can trick AI system by using some tricks and tips while in speaking. So I will tell you, and I will share some other guy's video link in the description. You can watch that video. He shared some insightful tips so that you can trick AI system to score good marks in the PTE exam. I bought Language Academy mock test, only mock test, so which costed me around 1500 Indian rupees for 1 month. I gave full mock test, 4 to 5 full mock test. There is another app that other guys used. I got to know of this from YouTube videos only, APONE app, so you can try that also. So I tried full mock test. Full mock tests are really important to get to know the time limitation of each section and about the real structure of the exam. Language Academy website you can check, and they have the YouTube channel and watch their videos. It was very helpful for me. And APONE app you can also try. Use a good microphone while practicing, because initially I used to get low scores while attempting the certain sections of the exam where we need to speak. But then I changed my microphone and suddenly my score improved. And do check out the microphone position video, like where you need to keep your microphone during the exam, because it is really important that your voice is clear to the system. For writing section, keep practice like on the keyboard, because they are going to provide you the keyboard. So you need to practice on the keyboard. You need to learn how to type fast, because there is going to be certain time limit for typing around 200 to 300 words in a paragraph. Like you will get the topic and you need to write about that. So you need to practice on the keyboard, so that your typing speed improve. And after typing the whole paragraph, you need to double check your grammars and spelling mistakes, because it is really important. We all do mistakes. By double checking, you always find some mistakes that you can improve, and it will really boost your score. So it is going to help you score a good score in PTE. For 5 days I just practiced 2 hours in the morning and 2 hours in the evening, and every day I gave one mock test. But I also watched the web series. It was kind of exam preparation. I usually do watch English web series, so it was very good for me, because it really builds my base. Like there is going to be some parts in the exam where you need to listen and speak, where you need to listen and write certain sentences. So it was very helpful. If you watch English web series and you have certain command in your on your English language, so you are going to pass this exam very easily. Full mock test really helped me to know about the exact structure of the exam and the time limitation, which part I need to give how much time. And through YouTube videos I got to know about the important parts of the exam, important section of the exam, which scored more, which get you more points as compared to the others. So you can also do this. Get yourself familiar with the computer system, because your exam will be conducted on the computer and you need to practice on the computer. Do not fumble up in the exam, like because system will capture this audio and it thinks like you are not fluent enough. So you need to be fluent, and you need good pronunciation to get good scores while speaking. In writing, do not do not do the spelling mistakes, comma, grammar. Do not make any mistakes, spelling and grammar mistake. I used to do very high mistakes in writing section. That's why I got 71 in writing section as compared to the other part of the exam, because my grammatical errors were very high at that time. So I don't know, I just scored very bad in the writing section. So keep that in point, like spelling mistakes and grammar in the writing section. And during the speaking section, do not do the app. If you forget something, just skip it, because AI will capture only your voice. Like you were fluent enough and the pronunciation was very good, then it is going to give you very high points in the speaking section. So skip the words if you forget something. Watch as many as YouTube videos you can watch about the PTE exam in English only, and practice as much as you can by speaking yourself and with your friends. In the writing section, do not write extra words. Write within the limits. They will provide you the limit before every paragraph section, like you need to do this much in this much words, like 200 to 300 words, 50 to 70 words. So just write within that limit, because if you do more, then you are going to, your points will be deducted. Keep that in mind. And if you miss something, just don't get nervous, because it is just one part of the exam. You can do better in the next part of the exam. In the exam center, there is going to be other people, and your exam starts with the reading paragraph section, and everybody is going to read very loud, and it is going to disturb you. So just get used to it, because your microphone is going to capture your voice only. So be fluent, clear, loud, and with a good pronunciation. Just don't get disturbed, get used to it, like with the background noise, because it was very surprising for me as we all started reading one paragraph, and it distracted me. But within few seconds I get together myself and start focusing on my paragraph instead of listening other people. So keep that in mind. Do check out the video in the description. It is some other guy's video, but it was very helpful for me, so I just want to share it. It was a good work to trick the AI system. And for practice, you can subscribe to Language Academy or any other app for practicing, because practice is very important. Full mock tests are really important, so do practice at home with good microphone, and create real exam scenario, so that there will be no surprise in the exam center. You just get used to the exam scenario, create real exam environment. And Language Academy mocks are close to real exam, and you get to know about the structure of the exam. I hope it was useful, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye bye. Peace.